Experience Connexx 9. With a fully reworked design, Connexx 9 offers a fresh and modern look and feel, supporting you with highly intuitive workflows. More than ever before, Connexx 9 is designed to maximize convenience for hearing care professionals. Based on user research, mature workflows have been enriched and now support additional use cases such as extending fitting sessions from monaural to binaural and a copy functionality. Connexx 9 is designed to support you efficiently and offers you an ideal balance of ease of use and expert options. With decades of experience, Connexx 9 offers the highest level of audiological performance, now even further improved, for example, with a new critical gain measurement. Do not compromise. Get started now with Connexx 9.